Welcome to this 5-minute practice of alternate nostril breathing. This gentle technique helps calm your mind, reduce stress, and bring balance to your body. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine tall but relaxed. Let your left hand rest softly on your knee. Take a moment to settle in, letting your shoulders drop and your jaw soften. We'll use your right hand for this practice, so let's position it correctly. Bring your right hand up toward your nose. Fold your index and middle fingers gently toward your palm. You won't need these fingers. Your thumb will open and close your right nostril. Your ring finger will guide your left nostril. Keep your touch very light. Just a gentle seal is perfect. Let's take a few natural breaths here to get comfortable with this hand position. Now, take one deep breath through both nostrils and release it completely. We'll now begin the alternating breath pattern. I'll guide you step by step. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through the left. 2, 3, 4. Close both nostrils briefly. Release your thumb. Exhale through the right. 2, 3, 4. Now inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Close both nostrils briefly. Release your ring finger. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Continue this pattern. Left nostril inhale begins each new cycle. Keep your movements gentle, your breath smooth, your mind focused on each flowing breath. As you continue, notice the calming rhythm you've created, the alternating flow of breath. Feel how each exhale helps your body relax more deeply. Let's take 3 more cycles together. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close both. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Close both nostrils. Briefly release your ring finger. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close. Release. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Begin to slow your practice. Take 2 final breaths at your own natural pace. Gently lower your hand back to your lap. Breathe naturally through both nostrils. Notice the sense of balance in your mind and body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, knowing you can return to this practice whenever you need to find center.